Okay, this is for Facebook. This is today's dinner. This is some baked chicken. Just ooh, it smells so good. This is kale with sauteed kale with onions and smoked turkey. I cooked the turkey separate and shredded and then put it in the kale. And I have a simple cornbread here. And I have rice with pigeon peas. And that is today's dinner. Okay, why is this burner on? We'll probably do that. Okay, so I'm gonna let the stick of butter in the microwave. About 3 tablespoons. This is my homemade jerk marinade, about 3 tablespoons. That looks good. Oh yeah, you're right. Sorry. Ooh, that's hot.
What is she eating? For breakfast? You weird old child.
What it?
I
Oh,
would never eat breakfast for breakfast.
I don't eat breakfast food neither, but rice and chicken.
I swear, Stacey really thinks she's Jamaican because in Jamaica that's what we would eat for breakfast.
I have eggs like if I make a cake.
Are you serious?
People say that to me too when I'm at work. Why are you eating breakfast? That's breakfast.
I love my breakfast food. I'm sorry. Every now and then, like if I have maybe leftover oxtail, like leftover curry chicken, leftover dumpling, because you know when you fry the dumpling, the leftover dumpling, that is the bomb. Yeah. So every now and then I may go back to my roots and have that kind of
my
stuff.
breakfast. Some plantain and coffee.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm. Girl eating noodles. And then I don't get it when people make the noodles so fancy like that. I only throw them in the water and take them out.
I was surprised that your kids don't. You know, I won't eat them. I don't eat those things. Jay,
I love noodles. But I'm cooked.
I don't eat them.
Should I really?
some chicken, some oven jerk chicken. I'm gonna make your favorite rice and peas, the chicken peas. I have some smoked. Yes, noodle peas, whatever. I have some smoked turkey I'm making. I'm gonna saute some kale, and I make.
Kale's nasty.
So wait a minute, you like collard greens, but you don't like kale?
Kale is nasty.
Y'all so strange. And then I'll make some.
It tastes like nothing.
What else was I going to make? You just threw me off track. I don't know. I'm making a cornbread. Huh? What? Yeah, I know. I don't know where she came from with that foolishness. I guess it's because mommy just make her collard greens so good. You wanna help me? Mix that up. Mix all the ingredients up together.
Oh my god, that looks like 7 different types of mold.
Seriously, that does not look like no.
I don't know, like I see some green stuff in there and it looks nasty.
That's the look, the homemade jerk marinade with all my seasoning blends. And then you know me, for an extra kick, I have a melted stick of butter here with two rosemary that I diced up in there for additional flavor. So it's not quite as jerk slash bake. I don't know. Are you done? No, come on, mix that up. And then we're gonna pour down the chicken. And we're gonna yes, sweetie. Did you ask your mommy? Go ahead, sweetie. The spoon, I'm gonna. I don't know if I should. Do I need gloves? You wanna get in there and rub it all up in there? You think you can do that? Girl, if you want to be a real cook, you gotta learn how to do that. You gotta wash your hands, get in here, and just rub this all up. Oh, please, that is never gonna happen, child. Yeah, boneless skinless chicken breast without that ain't got no real fat on there.
Sorry. Say it with this mouth.
Wait, did you season it already?
Yeah, why?
One more request, please.
For the chicken?
Yeah,
What?
the skin.
What?
It's on. I didn't take it off.
No, he doesn't eat the skin.
Okay.
Only give him the drumstick, it's on.
Okay.
Jake, season it.
Your husband is not a real Jamaican girl.
You don't do skin. You don't eat breast, really.
Well, Troy doesn't either, so I have to take it off for him when it's done. But you leave it on there because it gives it more flavor when it's cooking, and then you take it off when it's done.
Oh, this is how you do it. We always be watching your video. I'm like, who the hell is holding? Oh.
Oh my goodness.
That's not a tripod.
Check it.
Look at her. She's touching it like.
Girl, massage it like you do on your booty when you put your lotion on. You gotta.
Oh no, you don't. You've never watched Jade Lotion? Jade Lotion like a lotion model. Me and Chris just be dying laughing.
Lotion it like that.
Then you gotta
We're
get
nasty.
the chicken. Yes, you gotta get it. It's not gonna bite you.
It's dead already. You look like it's so awkward for you.
Really?
At least she's learning
Yes.
or trying.
Is that good enough?
Yes, that's good. Thank you. Wash your hands.
All right.
Now we're gonna wrap this up in foil paper and let it sit for a while, and then I'm gonna get to some other stuff for a minute. Can you pause the camera for me for a minute, please? And then a half. Yeah, well,
You don't even know what I'm making.
I do.
What am I making?
I'm making a smoothie
What kind of smoothie?
for now.
And what else? I'm putting vegetables. I'm putting spinach.
we getting ready to make a smoothie, baby?
Yeah.
So,
Leave all the things now. First round.
Back up, look.
this one's small.
This one, man.
Oh, it's good.
You want help? You want to help? Okay, hold on. Here.
Ooh, this smoked turkey is so tender.
I'm gonna need your phone at like 1 o'clock, Mom.
Excuse you?
I have a call. So dramatic.
I'm out of green onions, so I'm using regular onions. Oops, I dropped it on the top. Eating on my last nerves. Huh?
Remember when you had these gold chains and necklace?
That's back when y'all were my little angels. Y'all no longer are.
I don't know why you saying it, but you said I was bad since I was a baby.
Yes, you were.
Should have saw it coming.
I guess I should have, shouldn't I?
I'm not even bad now.
But you know, as a mom, you want to believe the best, you know?
I'm bad now?
No, I'll give you credit. But you could do better.
Yeah.
But
Okay,
I'm not
then.
bad.
No. I can't believe I'm out of fresh garlic and didn't realize that. We will see. think I'm gonna put this big bowl in there for flavor. When I'm done, I'll take it out. That's yummy. black paper. Because it's been washed for a little while. So. Come check this. Check out the kale.
Do what now?
Come check out the kale.
I think I had that one time.
I used to make it here all the time. I just haven't had it one. I don't know why I haven't made it in a while, but I gotta make sure there's enough flavor in there. that chicken is done. For now, I gotta take wallpaper off. Put it back in. Yep, it smells good, but it needs some color. Torch. Oh, God. You know not to do that. It's not funny.
I've been standing here.
I don't know why I'm so jumpy, but I am, and you guys need to stop.
Where's your senses?
Pardon me?
Where's your senses?
Because when I'm cooking, I'm all into my cooking. I'm not paying attention to nothing else. I'm sorry. Because I'm in my house. I'm not supposed to feel unsafe. So those
Exactly. So if I
So
stand
those
right next to
senses
you,
are not there. I'm
it
sorry.
shouldn't matter. No matter what I do, you should be like, you feel safe to your around.
Whatever, okay?
Jeez. You should make these tonight.
What are those? No, I'm making cornbread.
Alright.
I'm not trying to share my you know, my goodie snack with everybody. I'm sorry.
Understood.
Okay, thank you. I love having everyone here, but
Make it, Grandma.
this is some baked chicken for you.
That looked like that hurt.
My hair done.
Oh, your hair done? Ooh, that's nice for you. Does it hurt?
No.
It,
It does feel tight.
it hurts me just looking at it.
Grandma, can I have one?
Go ahead, sweetie.
Like, give me a hug.
Don't
Why don't you give me a hug? Treat you over here. See the kitty?
Yes.
They cute.
They're out.
Yeah, draw them down.
Pardon me? I thought
Peanut butter and a banana.
you sound like
Yana.
more. Oh,
Yana.
what was it, Yana? Yana think it's gross too?
Maya's getting her hair done upstairs.
By who?
Haley.
What are you letting Haley do to that baby's hair?
She wanna play with it.
Oh.
Grandma, can I have some?
Want some what?
Uncle George time because George time is almost dead.
So you charge it?
Yes, I did it.
Oh, you did that room upstairs, right?
Maura wants some Nutella choy here. I'm gonna need you to get that music out of here. Here. Now y'all just coming and distract me. What am I supposed to do? This.
Come here.
Need this.
You know you like it.
Like what?
Banana and
Oh.
peanut. So good.
I don't want.
Okay, my kale are done.
You start hitting me again. You like the juice in it?
No.
Pour the juice out. Sit down. Yep. Want a fork? You don't eat everything with your hand.
Okay, let me start with 3 eggs. Okay. Some cream. Half a cup. Okay. I just realized I forgot.